A very good morning to one and all. I'm Monal, and we, the students of Group 10, are here to present before you on the topic Marketing Strategies of Public Sector Banks. To begin with, what are public sector banks? They are those banks where the government holds more than 50% ownership. And with these banks, the government regulates the financial guidelines. The shares of these banks are listed on stock exchanges, and the main objective of the public sector banks is social welfare. It is very important for a bank to develop good relationships with valued customers, accompanied by innovative ideas which can be used as measures to meet their requirements. Bank marketing is the design, structure, layout, and delivery of customer needed services worked out by checking the corporate objectives of the bank and environmental constraints. It is aimed at having a full view of customers' needs, fulfilling them in the best possible way by required services, identification of potential customers, and conducting the activities on the basis of market segmentation. So, how do the public sector banks of India manage to attract potential customers? Let's discuss about the marketing strategies of three such banks of our country: State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, and Punjab National Bank. Now, my friend Ayasha will take over the rest.
Thank you, Monal. A quick question for you all. Dash is the largest commercial bank in India in terms of assets, deposits, profits, branches, customers, and employees. And your options are: first, SBI; second, PNB; third, Axis Bank; and fourth, none. The correct answer is SBI, that is State Bank of India. What is the slogan of SBI? Your options are: first, the nation banks on us; second, pure banking, nothing else; third, with you all the way; fourth, the banker to every Indian; and the last option, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. SBI is the largest public sector bank in India. It was founded in 1806 as Bank of Calcutta and over a period of time evolved into State Bank of India. It is a government-owned corporation headquartered at Mumbai, provides a wide range of products and services to individuals, commercial enterprises, large corporatism, public bodies and institutional customers through its various branches and outlets, joint ventures, subsidiaries and associate companies. SBI played a pivotal role in establishing the organized banking services sector across India by way being depositors to savings and lenders to leading business across India. SBI has thus played a key role in the economic development of India. It provides services in both the personal banking and corporate banking segments. SBI's mission is committed to providing simple, responsive, and innovative financial solutions, and its vision is to be the bank of choice for transforming India. It has over 22,000 branches, 62,000 ATMs in India and globally, over 229 offices in 31 countries. Now, let's take a look at 7 P's of marketing of State Bank of India. Product. SBI Bank offers a wide variety of deposit products like savings account, FDs, recurring deposit accounts to suit their customers' requirements. Coupled with convenience of networked branches and facility of e-channels like internet and mobile banking, it also provides senior citizen services and bank salary accounts. Along with deposit products and loan offerings, SBI Bank assists you to manage your finances by providing various investment options such as SBI mutual funds, SBI life insurance, and SBI gold bonds, and loans such as home loans, personal loans, and cards like ATM, debit, travel, and credit cards. SBI Bank Demat Services boast of an ever-growing customer base of over 12 lakhs account holders. SBI Bank offers mobile banking facility to all its bank, credit card and Demat customers. Online money online money transfer facility available to NRIs worldwide through the click of a button. Pricing. The pricing decisions or the decisions related to interest and fee or commission charged by banks are found instrumental in motivating or influencing the target market. Place. SBI has over 22,000 branches in domestic market, out of which 66% branches are located in rural areas and 34% in urban area. Over 50,000 plus SBI's ATMs are operating in India. Internationally, it has more than 229 overseas offices, which is spread across 31 countries. Branches are located near to the station as well as roads, crowded areas with safety and security provisions, which are convenient to both the parties such as the users and the bankers. Promotion. SBI does advertising via television, radio, movies, and theaters. They also use print media like hoardings, newspaper, magazines, and do publicity by roadshows, campus visits, sandwichmen, and sponsorships. They do sales promotion in form of gifts, discounts, and commission, incentives, etc. And also personal selling like cross sale, that is selling at competitors' place and provide personalized services. People. SBI has a large customer base and over 2 lakhs employees. To realize its potential in bank marketing, SBI became conscious in its potential in internal marketing, the attraction, development, motivation, and retention of qualified employee customers through need meeting job products. Process. All the major activities of SBI banks follow RBI guidelines. SBI Bank has got a standardized procedures. There are specialty counters at each branch to deal with customers of a particular scheme. The activities have been segregated into various departments accordingly. Physical evidence. There are many examples of physical evidence including internet web pages, paperwork, brochures, furnishings, business cards, and the building itself. The physical evidences also include signage, that is SBI logo, financial reports, punch lines, and other tangibles, and employee dress code, etc.
Thank you, Ayasha. Now let's talk about marketing strategies of SBI. It segregates the market on the basis of geographic, demographic, behavioral, psychographic variables. Mostly, it targets the lower class students who are deprived of banking services, the tech-savvy business class for whom time is more important. It also finds relevance to young customers with its value-added services like net banking, telebanking, etc. As after COVID, young students are more into digital cash system. It also offers advanced services like instant loan approvals, access to the latest mutual funds, assistance in choosing investment, portfolios, and other financial services. Now it's time to talk about MOGO, that is Mogo, innovative brand strategy, launched its musical logo, Mogo, and Mogo Scope, sonic plate, creating a pleasant signature tune. It expressed the key emotion and feeling of a brand that is referred to as the banker to every Indian. And now, I wanted to discuss about I am the I in SBI. What I in the SBI mean? A thematic brand campaign showing its diverse product offerings ensures that there is a relevant product for fulfilling the needs of diverse groups of customers both in India and abroad. By making it new and contemporary, by giving ethnic twist in the every word India is represented. The bank has also launched a visual campaign dedicated to its customers and unveiled its familiar tagline, the banker to every India, with the refreshing look. SBI also came out with an anthem, Hum Saath Hai. The lyrics are all about how SBI is there at every stage of customer's journey and contributes to nation building. And Agritech is the last but not the least campaign. It explores opportunities to enter into partnership with Select Agritech, a channel to bring in a new segment of customers, a channel to improve decision making, grow top line, and improve efficiency. So all this campaign which I discussed right now was launched on July 1st on the 66th Foundation Anniversary of the SBI Bank. Initiatives are all about how could take all the people together and serve as their identity and hospitality.
The second bank we have chosen is Bank of Baroda. Speaking of which, it is a state-owned Indian bank which is headquartered in Vadodara, Gujarat. Bank of Baroda was founded in the year 1908 by Maharaja Sayaji Rao Gaikwad. Bank of Baroda got nationalized in the year 1969 by the Reserve Bank of India. It is an Indian international bank which provides banking and financial services. The logo of Bank of Baroda is called the Baroda Sun, which has got two B's in it. The logo stands for universal symbol showing dynamism and optimism. The bank has got more than 50,000 employees around 25 countries. Its mission is to be a top-ranking national bank of international standards committed to augmenting stakeholders' value through concern, care, and competency. Its vision has been a long and eventful journey of more than a century across 18 countries. Starting in 1908 from a small building in Baroda to its new high-rise and high-technology Tech Baroda Corporate Center in Mumbai is a saga of vision, enterprise, financial prudence, and corporate governance. Let's have an overview on the Bank of Baroda. So, Bank of Baroda is a public company founded on 20th July 1908. It's headquartered in Vadodara, Gujarat. As of 2020 data, it has around 8,214 branches and 10,033 ATMs. As of the 2021 data, it has got around 82,000 plus employees. Right next to overview, we have the financials of Bank of Baroda from the financial year 2021.
Marketing mix is a model that outlines a company's business on the parameters of product, price, place, promotion, people, process, and physical evidence. These models also help in understanding the steps undertaken by the company towards its existing and potential customers. Let us see how Bank of Baroda has lined up its product offerings on the marketing mix framework. First, product strategies of Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda offers a variety of banking products and services to its customer. Here are few offerings of the bank. First, retail banking. Second, rural agri banking. Third, wholesale banking. Fourth, SME banking. Fifth, wealth management. Sixth, demat. Seventh, deposit products. And eighth, ATM and debit cards. The above mentioned are few of the bank's major products and service offerings among many other services that help them serve their customers better. Price strategy of Bank of Baroda. The price here refers to the interest rates and the other prices that the bank is charging its customer. Bank of Baroda, being a public sector bank, is very much competitive in comparison with other public sector banks when it comes to pricing. The range of services is just near to the competitors offering to keep itself attractive. Usually, Bank of Baroda charges for delayed payments, transfer charges, card withdrawal charges, demand draft charges, and locker charges also. The charges of Bank of Baroda vary from the service offerings and amount of the balance maintained in the saving account, the amount of credit taken from the bank. Third, place strategy of Bank of Baroda. The location of the store, office or any other place where the business is transacted, it refers to as place. Placing is important with regards to popularity. Bank of Baroda has its branches spread across all the locations of the country. It currently has 9,449 branches in India. It also has about 13,153 ATMs spread all across the country. It has an international presence across 21 countries, which includes 100 overseas branches. It has a strong presence in the domestic market and serves a customer base of close to 130 million individuals. Fourth, promotion strategy of Bank of Baroda. Promotion refers to communication of marketing strategies like advertising and public relations. Bank of Baroda uses a mix of various mediums to communicate with its customers. The bank promotes its services through the internet, newspapers, magazines, and on television through advertisement. Recently, it also omitted all the internet transaction charges incurred by its customers to promote a digital transaction for 3 months. It also partners with various other companies to give out discounts, cashback, etc. Fifth, people strategy of Bank of Baroda. People parameter, in simple terms, refers to the employees, staff, agents of the company. Bank of Baroda employs close to 1 lakh people that helps them in conducting the operations of the bank. Having such a number of human resources is enough to fulfill the criteria of people in the marketing mix. The people parameter highlights that the higher the number of employees employed, the easier it will be for the customer to believe and trust in the brand.
Coming to the process part of Bank of Baroda, process refers to the procedures and steps involved while buying or availing a product or service. In the process part, Bank of Baroda has almost similar offerings procedure as compared to its government-owned peers like State Bank of India and Punjab National Bank. However, the bank is trying to improve its procedures by using digital technologies, but at the same time, even its public sector banking competitors are more or less working on the same. Moving on to the seventh point, physical evidence parameter of Bank of Baroda. Physical evidence refers to anything intangible in nature, such as in Bank of Baroda's case, its ATM cards, ATM branches, and bank branches. They all fall under the umbrella of physical evidence. The factor of physical evidence is similar to that of the people parameter. It helps customers in developing trust over the bank. Now that we know a little more about the bank, its products and services, let us now understand the measures it has undertaken to promote itself and its offerings. So, marketing strategy is a long term plan of what ought to be done to make a product or service desirable and competitive in the market. So, now let us gain some insight into the marketing strategy of Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda's head of marketing and branding, Rakesh Sharma, had said that the digital world is making the markets even more popular and exclusive. He believes that large scale data analysis can help the bank gain rich insights into customer behavior and competition, which will help in devising new marketing strategies. The company has since then focused upon aggressive marketing of its digital products via digital and offline mediums. It has also signed PV Sindhu, the popular Indian badminton player, as its brand ambassador. When asked about the future of marketing strategies in Bank of Baroda, Rakesh Sharma said that in the long run, we expect that the digital and online channels will increase popularity as they are cost effective, widely accepted with an increasing viewer base. Electronic media will continue to be a favorite but will face stiff competition from the digital medium. We have been trying to make good use of all available opportunities and platforms to showcase our bank's products and plan to do so in the future endeavors too.
Stay safe, bank safe. Bank of Baroda very recent campaign is based on encouraging its customer to stay safe given the COVID-19 pandemic. Along with that, it showcased various measures to keep ourselves safe from online frauds and scams. It also focused on encouraging delegations among its customers. Power of Three, a marketing campaign of Bank of Baroda. Power of Three campaign was launched after the merger of Bank of Baroda with Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank. This campaign focused on showcasing that the core strength of the bank has increased after the merger and that it is also future ready. It was a very different campaign compared to its other campaigns as the bank took a totally different approach. These advertisements were rolled out in all the major regional languages. Now, we have selected the third bank, that is the Punjab National Bank, and speaking on that, the Punjab National Bank was established in the spirit of nationalism and it was the first bank entirely run by Indians and funded entirely by Indian capital. Personal and corporate banking, commercial, agricultural, and export finance, as well as international banking, are all available services offered by the financial institution. Its lending services include mortgages, car loans, and college loans, Indian conglomerates, small and mid sized firms, non resident Indians, and multinational corporations are among Punjab National Bank's diverse clientele.
Moving on to an overview on Punjab National Bank, it is a public bank founded on 19th May 1894 by Dayal Singh Majithia and Lala Lajpat Rai. It is headquartered in New Delhi, India. As of the 2020 data, it has around 1,03,000 employees. Right next to the overview are the financials of the Punjab National Bank as of financial year 2021. Coming to the marketing mix of Punjab National Bank, let's start with the product mix. Punjab National Bank has a wide geographical presence in India with branches in personal, rural, and corporate banking. Customers can choose from a variety of products offered by Punjab National Bank, such as personal services. So, the personal services include deposits, retail and MSME loans, insurance, credit and debit cards, current accounts, agricultural banking, and many more. Corporate services include corporate loans, export import finance, exporters gold card scheme, money management services, doorstep banking options, etc. International services vary from NRI services to foreign exchange services, international cards, offshore banking options, and many more. Financial services include depository services, non life insurance, mutual funds, retirement schemes, merchant banking, etc. E services like Bheem, PNB Kitty, PNB Yuva, Unified Payments Interface, retail internet banking, corporate internet banking, mobile banking are also offered by the bank. Talking about the pricing strategy of the bank, despite being a state owned corporation, Punjab National Bank faces stiff competition from the likes of State Bank of India, Corporation Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, State Bank of Mysore, and others. Since the government owns a large portion of the bank, the interest rates set by PNB are lower than those set by private banks, which exist solely to make a profit. While seeking profit, public banks must ensure that they are the bank of the people, fostering the country's development. The RBI guidelines, competitor offerings, and business interest rates all influence PNB's pricing decisions.
Moving on to place and distribution, Punjab National Bank is state-owned bank that is present pan-India. Its headquarters are located in New Delhi. The bank has a large number of customer base of 188 million customers. It has over 10,910 branches and 13,000 ATMs spread across 764 cities. Given the bank's extensive presence across the country, the figure shows that accessing a Punjab National Bank branch is very convenient. Outside of India, Punjab National Bank has offices in Hong Kong, Dubai, Kabul, Kowloon, Shanghai, Sydney, and Oslo. Next is promotion. Punjab National Bank participates in a variety of corporate social responsibility programs, including health screening, tree plantation campaigns, recycling drives, the installation of dustbin, the sponsorship of uniforms, and adoption of villages, among others. This helps in promoting a positive and trusting image to the customers. Punjab National Bank has also partnered with cricketer Virat Kohli as a brand ambassador to garner the interest of young people. The bank also promotes itself through audio video advertisement, print media, social media, underprivileged, and its own website. Next is people strategy. Punjab National Bank is a massive corporation with over 70,000 employees. Punjab National Bank employs 919 people with disabilities according to public record. This is a great way to support the underprivileged and contribute towards society. Punjab National Bank Parivar is the company's human resource management software which refers to the workers as a family. It was established in 2006 with the aim of making payroll processing, wage payment, and employee loan monitoring more transparent. It also acts as a dashboard for all the internal news as well as questions about the transfers and postings. This made the company as aspiration organization for employees to seek employment under. Speaking on process strategy, Punjab National Bank has expanded steadily in both organic and inorganic ways during its extensive journey in the industry. Punjab National Bank was formed by the merger of 9 separate banks, bringing it to its current scale. Some of these banks were Bharat Bank Limited, Universal Bank of India, Indo Commercial Bank, New Bank of India. Next is physical evidence strategy. Since it is a public sector bank, Punjab National Bank's infrastructure is less technology centric. It also invests comparatively lesser in customer service. Bottlenecks and bureaucracy are public sector businesses commonly experience problems, making it difficult to have above average customer service. However, in terms of speedy transaction, a wide range of services, and extensive facilities, Punjab National Bank services are comparatively to those of a private bank. Overall, the marketing mix of Punjab National Bank is thus complete. With each strategy and its objectives detailed, each of these helps in envisioning the overall business and marketing strategy of a company.
In this section, we shall talk about Punjab National Bank's marketing strategy in terms of its segmentation, targeting, and positioning. Punjab National Bank segregates and targets existing high value customers. It does not geographically segment an exclusive market segment since it has a wide presence in both rural and urban areas. Their target audience includes people who are self employed, corporate, or government workers in rural, urban, and metropolitan areas. Over the years, PNB has mainly positioned itself based on its value proposition. Today, it emphasizes upon its telebanking, net banking, internet banking, and other value added services with the aim to communicate its image as a value providing bank. This is how PNB segments and targets its audience, positioning itself appropriately. Throughout its decades long presence in the industry, Punjab National Bank has carried out many advertising and marketing campaigns. Following are two of the bank's most popular campaigns. First is Digital Apnai by PNB. The bank's managing director, S.S. Mallikarjuna Rao, launched the campaign on the occasion of Independence Day on 15th August 2020. The campaigns aimed to enable and encourage customers to use digital platforms and donate to the PM CARES Fund for COVID-19 relief. It was an overall effort to get customers to avail their services while also contributing to a believed noble cause. The second marketing strategy is hashtag Join Team Kohli. PNB's then brand ambassador Virat Kohli featured in a host of advertisements ranging from festive ones to informative ones. The hashtag Join Team Kohli was the recurring hashtag used to encourage customers to join Virat in availing the bank's services. Each advertisement under these campaigns ended with an assuring Mera Apna Bank note from Kohli. With this, we've come to the end of our presentation. Thank you.